Bago pala ako mag-edit. Kain tayo ng eto ba, banana bread. Ay, amoy pa talaga yung sibuyas. Ang lakas. Pag binuksan yung wrap, pero binalot ko na siya sa papel, sa bag. Ano yun?
It smells yummy.
Yeah, naka-ziplock tapos binalot ko pa dito sa
Onion stinks.
But it's good. Okay. Mag-banana bread ako tapos yung juice.
Not the waffle. Honest,
Ang kulit
the
talaga.
best bit.
The waffle. It's alright. Too sweet. Nasarap siya pero sobrang tamis kasi. At for sure, hindi niya ako tatantanan pag hindi ko yung trinay. Kaya, ngumanga ka na lang. Nga. Okay, kain muna ako nito. Dala ko yung bone broth. Ilang araw na ba ako hindi nakakainom? Once a day ko lang naman yun iniinom. Pero not every day. Every other day. Depende. Masarap tong Mildura juice. What flavor? Ay, sorry. Mango orange. Masarap. Favorite yan ni Johnny Boy. Asa na yung banana bread? Di ba banana bread? Sarap ng banana bread natin, guys. Si Kylie at si Joe, gustong-gusto nila ang banana bread ko. Give me that one. No, that. Meron tayo dito ng big bag. Good?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just gonna eat this and then I'm gonna edit. Ang oras kaya darating sila dyan? Ang oras na? What time is it, Zach? 11:34 na, guys. No, don't wash your hands there. I got the bacon. Here, Bago pala ako mag-edit. Kain tayo ng eto ba, banana bread. Ay, amoy pa talaga yung sibuyas. Ang lakas. Pag binuksan yung wrap, pero binalot ko na siya sa papel, sa bag. Ano yun?
It smells yummy.
Yeah, naka-ziplock tapos binalot ko pa dito sa
Onion stinks.
But it's good. Okay. Mag-banana bread ako tapos yung juice.
Not the waffle. Honest,
Ang kulit
the
talaga.
best bit.
The waffle. It's alright. Too sweet. Nasarap siya pero sobrang tamis kasi. At for sure, hindi niya ako tatantanan pag hindi ko yung trinay. Kaya, ngumanga ka na lang. Nga. Okay, kain muna ako nito. Dala ko yung bone broth. Ilang araw na ba ako hindi nakakainom? Once a day ko lang naman yun iniinom. Pero not every day. Every other day. Depende. Masarap tong Mildura juice. What flavor? Ay, sorry. Mango orange. Masarap. Favorite yan ni Johnny Boy. Asa na yung banana bread? Di ba banana bread? Sarap ng banana bread natin, guys. Si Kylie at si Joe, gustong-gusto nila ang banana bread ko. Give me that one. No, that. Meron tayo dito ng big bag. Good?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just gonna eat this and then I'm gonna edit. Ang oras kaya darating sila dyan? Ang oras na? What time is it, Zach? 11:34 na, guys. No, don't wash your hands there. I got the bacon. Here,
I'm gonna write my wrap.
Kadi-dessert niya lang. Baliktad siya kumain. Gagawa raw siya ng salami wrap.
Wrap easy.
Do you want plate? That's too big, Zach. Get a plate. Okay.
What What are you going to use chicken for?
Oh, that's for my salad.
Yeah.
I think there's an open one. Yeah, that one.
No, I might use chores. Shredded. No. Gonna use these.
Makita niyo yung may pang ano.
Oh, but I don't have a sweet chili.
Go to Kylie. We're gonna get one late tomorrow.
Can I ask for a sweet chili?
Yeah, you can if you want. Kuha mo siya ng chili.
Show me around.
Yeah? Yeah. But I didn't film you. Ang bilis niya tumakbo. Ayan, yung...
Can I
Fa-
these up?
it's up to you.
Wait, hang on. 1,
Binibilang niya.
4, 5, 6, 3, 3. No,
Alright.
4, 2. 3, 2. 3, 3. 3, 3. Wait, no.
Tinatanong niya kasi ako kung gusto ko. Sabi ko, oo. Sabi ko, ilan ibibigay mo sa akin? So, binibilang niya. Get the sour cream.
Okay, that's what I needed. Sour cream first.
Down. And then, I have shredded carrots and shredded lettuce. Yeah.
That's what I needed.
No.
Carrot.
Ako na. I'll get the shredded,
Is in the container.
it's here. And I have a
Where's it?
lettuce.
I just grabbed them.
I think it's in here.
Oh, tomatoes and capsicum.
You don't want tomato.
Yeah, I need capsicum.
Here. What do you need? Oh, ang lakas ng amoy ng
Where's
sibuyas.
the spoon?
Here.
Why is it?
What else do you need? Do you need capsicum?
No.
No, thank you. Ang lakas ng amoy dito. Okay. I think that's all good.
That's what I like doing.
And then aioli?
No.
You don't like aioli? Okay, I will help you because the cake is so long.
No, I like them.
Okay.
So I do it.
What? Cheese.
Just hang on. Where's the thing?
Mm.
No.
Put the chicken.
Don't have cheese.
Here. Yeah. Tig-tatlo kami. Diba? Sharing is caring. Mamaya.
Like that.
Okay.
And then like this.
Sauce.
No, I put that last.
Okay. Ikaw nang bahala dyan. Ang sarap ng banana. Kain ako ng isa.
Oh.
No. Please, ano ka ba? Diba? Easy.
Okay, thanks, Mom.
Okay.
Too much.
Favorite niya to guys,
Okay.
yung...
So you fold one.
Wait, show it to them. Let me see. Ayan yung kanyang
Fold one.
chili sauce.
Oh.
Well, kay Kylie yan. It's gonna go everywhere. You have to fold it. Yeah. Sabi ko na sa'yo akong gagawa eh.
It's too much in there.
Yeah. And then you wanna put how many?
Two off.
Baliktad siya. Kumain na siya ng dessert.
Not good.
Ha?
Not that good.
Not good?
That's good.
That's good. You have to return the original sweet chili sauce. Gustong gusto niya yan. Meron ako yung isa. Pero mas gusto niya tong lasang to. Yung kay Kylie. Yung kinukuha ko yung regular. Yung sa Coles. I think that's Coles as well. That one. I think I seen that Coles. Is that good? No, I'm good, thank you. I'm full.
What's fun?
Banana and then the orange juice. I usually don't eat like this time. I eat like 4 or 5, but we're on holiday, so I just ate that one because it's so good. Banana bread. Banana bread is so good. So yeah, you like my banana bread? Huh? You don't like my banana bread now?
It's alright.
It's alright.
This is
Favorite young wraps.
you have to wrap.
Okay, 5 minutes na to. 6 minutes, Mag-edit na ako, guys. Clean your mess there, okay? Please. Wala naman masyado.
Messy.
I know, but the
Wrap.
wrapper. I have more juice here if you want. Ubos? Good? Tapos ang gawain natin
Wait.
kasi
Color.
gusto nila mag-pedal
Is that-
cart. So, kailangan kong fill-upan to.
Are they filling it in?
No, you need to fill it in.
No,
What?
we
Like,
don't.
a parent needs to fill
Yeah.
it in.
I know.
Okay.
How much is this? Half an hour
Make sure you
time?
wear socks and shoes.
Yeah.
You're
Wait.
supposed to, and you have to reach
Yeah.
the pedal too.
Yeah. So, meron silang
And you need a
pa-consent.
helmet because
I'm
Yeah.
bringing my own
Yeah,
helmet. I'm not
my-
wearing that.
yeah.
helmet.
You have to bring your own helmet, Holly. You have your
No,
own.
you don't. But I'm not getting lice.
Yeah, that's right, Holly. Ayaw niya magkaroon ng kuto.
I'm wearing my own helmet.
Yeah. And then
I'll
socks,
go put
okay?
shoes on.
So, kailangan natin
Is that
fill
when you get your
upan.
shoes
Fill
back
upan to.
Wait, you
Name of
just
a
fill.
person, hiring the cart. Tapusin ko lang to,
Sophie's
guys.
gonna drive for me.
Yes, siya kay Sophie siya
Gonna
sasakay.
drive.
What number are we, Baba? What number are Calvin? 48?
8 and 47.
No, it's 27.
It's 48 back there.
Oh, 48.
That's right. Signature. Zachary will be the driver. Okay, si Sak lang naman. Oh. Ayan na, napilapan ko na. And $8 for 1 hour, 30 minutes for $5. So, mag-1 hour si Zach, tsaka si Holly. Ayan na, yan yung mga terms and conditions. Ah, Zach! Nandito na rin si Sophie. Here! Oh, shut the door! Ayan, so. Thank you, Soph. Can you close the door, love? Be careful, okay? Sila na ang go-kart or pedal kart doon. Tinawag tayo ni Sak. Where are you? Where are you, Nak? Ayan si Holly. Hi, hi. Wow.
You get this for an hour.
For an hour.
I don't
Where's-
know when an hour is done.
Do you have a watch? Where's your
Set
watch?
it for like 10, 15 minutes.
Alright. Where's Sophie? Andun si Sophie. Andun si Sophie and Holly. May kinuha. Kumuha lang siguro ng watch. Sophie! Do you have a timer or watch?
On her phone.
Phone, okay. May phone sila.
Oh, so you don't need to set one.
Okay. You don't need to worry now.
I nearly fell. I was going fast, turned back on 2 wheels. I was right in front of the person who gave me.
You have to be careful.
I did good skip back there.
Did ya?
Hey,
See ya. Be careful, okay? Love you too. See ya, Holly and Zoe. Be careful. Come here. This way, Nak. Bye! Sak! Dito na si Kuya. I'm riding the pedal cart. How's the golf?
I lost.
You lost?
Dad won.
How about Joe and Kobe?
Second and last.
Who's last?
Toby.
Oh, so you're third. Huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, magwawalis na si John. Wawalis na
Put it
siya.
in my bed.
What? Oh, magwawalis na si John. Wawalis na
Put it
siya.
in my bed.
I thought you're gonna do vacuum man. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, siya yung
Hey,
magbabacuum
swivel.
pero nagsisweep na lang siya ng floor. What's that? For your fishing?
Can I stand there, Dad?
Oh. Kuwari yan si Kuya ng yung kinain niya sa kanina. Ah, antok yan. Ayan yung dumi. Kaya siya yung katulad kay Saki. Remove the box if it's empty.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, wala na? Wala na. It's only, I think it's only 4.
No, I don't want them.
What? There's none left. Just get the other one. Ayaw niya nung isa. Tapos na siya magwalis. Ayan, mag-ice cream siya. Oh. What do you call that? Bula? Bula. Yeah, chocolate crunch. Si Kuya hindi, ayaw niya daw yan. See you, Baba. Bye.
Oh, crap.
Dad, you play.
Ang galing na ni Holly mag-break.
Where are we going?
Gusto rin kasi ni Holly mag-drive. So, yan yung kay Sak, di ba kanina? So, siya na nagda-drive. Kuya's turn. Hi, Joey.
You didn't ask me.
For what?
You didn't ask me, Chona.
How did you go, Joey?
Just give him a little flog on that. He baked me off the stick. He baked me off the stick by 5 shots, but because of my handicap.
Yeah.
What? Come on, Joey.
I'd go back to play that, isn't it? Now, I'm not sure we do like that.
Look how flat these tires are.
I reckon.
See ya. Where's Sophie?
Here.
Oh, you're done?
No, they're up there, mate.
Oh, banana bread. Kumain si Jan ng, ano pa mga kinain niya? Ayan. Sila nagugutom na sila. Is that the last one, ha? The banana bread? They have one more. Kumain na yan ng M&M's. Ano pa bang kinain ni Jan? Si Kuya din, may kinain siya before. Oh, diba? Kasi pinagsara tayo ng pito. Nag-edit na ako, guys. Well, kanina pa. Sine-check ko lang yung iba. Punta kami dito sa mini pat-pat, guys. Diyan tayo pupunta. And doon na sila. Nagbabayad na sila doon. May pa-bonfire sila dito. Oh. Dito sila. Ayan si Kuya. Oh, what are you getting? You got lollies. What color are you gonna get? Purple. What color, Baba? Pink? Okay. Ayaw maglaro. Mag-vlog lang. I-vlog lang natin sila. Okay, let's go.
Boy, we're going black.
Oh, it's nice. Looks nice, huh?
Oh, look at that. Look at the red.
No, it looks nice.
Red.
I have my phone and my camera.
We're all playing black. Advance.
May pa-fountain sila dito.
Zach, where's the school car?
I want to ride it.
Holly has it.
Write your name, Baba. So siya lahat magsusulat ng name nila. Kuya Zach, Daddy. Just put Daddy.
No, I want to ride John.
Alright, right, John then.
Oh, that one is?
Okay. Thank you. Ako lang naman tagawak ng card nila. Scoring card. Si Johnny Boy na.
Get back. Going. Come on.
Na. 2. Siyang scorer din pala. Si Kuya na. 2, Baba, 2. Yeah, whole one. In? Na.
Mum,
TJ.
2 for TJ. Oh, Zach! Oh, you're not a golfer, Zach. Go, baby, go.
Now hit it hard. Get up there. Stay up.
Oh, that's good, Baba.
Right, bub. Go up here.
Good job.
Mum, do you want a pop?
No, I'm good, thank you. Second hole.
Stop there. Stay in the line. Hit it hard, bub.
Challenging yung third hole kasi may pa-swing doon. Nandun yung butas kung nasaan yung nagsiswing na... Kita nyo ba yun, yung green? Tingnan natin. Ay, mali. Ay, para ko ba yun? Ah! Naiinis si Zach. Ah.
This is gonna be hard, I tell you.
Paano na siya i-zoom?
Ride you in a second.
Hindi ko siya ma-zoom. Go, kuya! Almost! Oh, come back! Oh!
But you're meant to hit it and try not to hit it without touching that thing.
The
Bakit
last hole's
ikaw?
so fun.
Well done. Well done, TJ.
Well done, kuya. 2 for kuya. 2. Si Sak 4. Ayun si Kobe. Oops! Oops!
Mum, do
Na. Ando na siya, oh. Get out there, Zach.
Go yet?
Ayan yung ano, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na kailangan nilang iswing. Kasi nandun yung hole. Yan yung challenging.
You got 6.
Oh! Who's that? Good
girl.
go. Holy. You got 3, Baba. Good pot.
Good girl, Holly.
Diyan.
Get up.
Ooh. Oh!
In the rough, John.
Go rolling na. Tingnan natin kung ma-shoot niya. Oh! 3 for you.
How much did I get?
3.
Three.
Lumabas ka dyan, Zaki boy.
Now, I'm gonna do it.
Ang kulit ni Zach.
How are you supposed to get? There's no way.
Number 4.
Over it says. Says
Oy,
under.
kuya.
Nearly worked.
Oh.
Where's the hell? Where's the black one?
Over there on the hill.
Hole 7.
You know
No,
what?
it's
You
not
know,
in the
you know what you can do.
hill.
If you hit it hard enough, that's it. That's it.
Oh.
That's exactly.
But I'll tell you what.
Di ba may ganito tayo sa Pinas, yung bugambilya? Pero ang ganda ng pagka-trim nila dito. Oh. Yung sa atin, di ba, parang, or depende siguro sa pagtanim. Kasi sa kanya, paano tawag ng patayo. Yung kay mama kasi, ang naalala ko is, yung nangangalay sila, yung nakalambitin. Ito ang ganda, oh, ang laki. Ayan. Ang ganda ng pagka-landscape dito sa mini golf nila. Ganda. Tapos may pa-banana leaves sila dyan, oh. Ang ganda talaga. Kahit sila dyan, nagagandan dito sa mini golf. Kasi madami na kami napunta na mini golf. Isa to sa pinaka Skylia. The best na pagka-landscape. Oops. Whoops.
That's going to be alright.
Good job! Winning, Baba!
Watch out, TJ, watch out.
Tapos na guys, nanalo si Johnny Boy. And sa sa group ni Kylie, si Kylie yung nanalo. And nag-order silang slushy. Dito na kami sa caravan nila. Kylie, ayan na yung slushy nila. Manunod sila ng footy. Balik ako doon sa caravan kasi hindi ko natapos yung ina-edit ko, guys. What? Do you want me to take this? Okay. And si Holly, girl, ayan, dadalhin niya doon yung upuan niya. Bye! Nakaligo na siya, oh. Naka-Ugg boots. Malamig na sa labas. Nasaan na siya? Oy. Naka-Ugg boots na yan. Huh?
It's not that cold
So why are you wearing your Ugg boots?
because I'm getting ready.
Getting ready for tonight. Ayan siya. Hindi pa ako tapos mag-edit. Kausap po si Papa. Hindi pa ako tapos guys mag-edit. Anong oras na? 5:36 na. Ngayon, yung nagluluto ng dinner natin ay si Kylie. Nagluto siyang spaghetti.
Spaghetti!
Yes. And then, ang gagawin ko ay mag-butter ng bread. Dadalhin natin to doon. Kasi nandun pa sila eh. Doon sila nanood ng footy. And yung game is, pareho yung score. Tapos na pareho yung score ng team ni Jen tsaka yung kalaban. But, wait babe, I'm just gonna finish this one because daddy wants me to do this first. Where's your pants? You said you put pants. Yeah, just...
I hadn't just pants.
Oh, okay, find it, Baba. Mag-butter lang tayo. Siguro ubusin ko ba to? Tapos bukas, ako naman ang gagawa ng dinner namin.
Here's one.
You found one?
Told you. Found some pants. I want to ask if I can put my hoodie.
Yeah, put your hoodie.
Yay.
Kasi yung hoodie mo, it will keep you warm.
Okay, I'm gonna go back here because the people are looking.
They might see you, Baba. And ako, kumurot ako ng chicken. Di ba may
Mom, this is my
chicken
jumper.
ako?
My hoodie's my jumper.
Kumurot ako ng chicken.
How's that?
What?
Draw.
I know, 85!
Right.
Kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo, even yung yung score,
Get some clothes on, Bobby.
85. Nangunguna yung team ni Jan.
Dad, I'm wearing my
Tapos,
hoodie.
No.
hindi mo rin alam kasi minsan yung mga first, second quarter yung team ni Jan. Tapos nung third, nauna na sila ng kalaban. Tapos akala ko nga matatalo sila pero hindi nakabawi. Tapos yun, na-draw. 85 pareho yung score. Lalakas nila magigiba ang ating caravan sa slam nila ng door. How many bread, Han? Babe? Ubusin ba natin to? Sige na, ubusin na lang natin. Tapos, kung may matira, lagyan na lang nilang peanut butter for tomorrow. Han, how many bread? All of this?
Oh, I'll do a few.
Few? Okay. You have to bring plates and food if you wanna eat there or you wanna bring your food here. We'll bring it there?
Yeah.
Okay. Dali na lang doon yung plate. So do you think this is enough, Han? This? Or more? What do you think?
Here comes.
More?
Oh, that's
Like,
probably
that's-
enough for now.
Yeah, okay. And I wear this. Di pa rin tayo tapos mag-edit, guys. Ang oras pa to. Kasi anong oras na kami natapos ng golf, mini golf. Tapos mahirap pang mag-upload. As in, mahirap din mag-upload. Mahina ang signal ng phone ko dito. Okay? Dito na tayo, guys. Ayan yung spaghetti ni Holly. Careful with your udi, Baba, because it's gonna stain. the sauce. Okay? Careful. They're kicking footy. Wala yung boys. Nagkikik ng footy. Ayan yung spaghetti. Oh, ang dami.
We're kicking the footy.
Yeah. Bread. More bread there doon. Dito na yung boys. Tinawagan sila ni Kylie. Medyo madilim ang ating pa-camera dito.
He's coming.
Si Sak. Ayan na siya. Yeah, come on, eat.
Yeah, this
Kompleto na silang lahat. Tinanggal ni Holly yung uli niya kasi baka malagyan ng sauce. And round 2 na siya. Tapos na kaming kumain and naglalaro na silang Ayan, yung cards.
Give it to Mum.
Si Kuya, nag-scroll sa phone. Same si Kobe. But yan, naglalaro sila. Si Sak lang muna naglalaro siya kasi Kobe. Ayan, may pa-table na si Joey dito sa kanila.
Just fly up and grab the ammunition. I'll pull it back. Yep.
Dessert. Meron tayong pa-ice cream dito. What do you call this, Sophie?
Vienna.
Vienna ice cream. First time namin ito matry. Kamusta naman ang ating camera dito sa madilim na lakarin? Punta kami daw sa arcade. Nagyaya yung mga bata. Si Joe naka-scooter din. Pero hindi nyo makita kasi nga madilim. Ayan. Is that one? We are here? Is this the one?
There's no time in there.
This is the arcade.
No, there's no time in there.
Ito yung, may barbecuean din pala dito. Doon sa loob. Ang lamig. Kailangan nila ng coins. $2. Coins. Para makapaglaro sila niyan. What do you call this, Joe?
Air hockey.
Air hockey. Go, Joey! Nagmamagali si Sak. Go, Sak! Tatlong beses na nag-load ng coins. Ang saya-saya nila. Pati kang ni Carly natatawa kasi pag natamaan kayo sobrang sakit. Kaya dapat yung kamay mo ay iwas-iwasan na makalagay dyan sa may edge. Yan si Kuya. Oh! They take turns kung sino yung nahuhulugan nun. You did it again! Wow! You did it twice, Zach! Zach! You did it twice! You cannot see me, guys. Pauwi na tayo. Is that you, yeah? We are going home. Dilim, di ba? Hi, Zach. Good boy.
Hey, Mom, okay, this.
Go. It's dark though. No, we can't see you. Oh, ayan siya. Uy! Whatever. What? For real? Ewan ko sa'yo. No, nag-aarte ka na naman dyan. No, Sashi. Careful sa, Sashi. Guys, dito na kami nakapag-shower na sila. Si Sak dito naligo, hindi doon sa labas kung saan yung dapat maligo siya na shower. Siya lang ang naligo dito sa caravan. Okay, we're gonna close the vlog, guys. I'm still editing, guys. Almost done. And Kuya, say good night. No.
Please like, please subscribe. Hope you see you next vlog. Bye.
Bye. Good night, Daddy.
No.
Good night, guys.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.